Welcome back. 20 attorneys general are suing the Trump administration over cuts to the Department of Health and Human Services. They claim the agency's been gutted of key health programs. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. laid off thousands of workers and did a major restructuring back in March. The AGs want a federal judge to undo all of this. Alex Tin joins us now. He tracks HHS and public health in general for CBS News. Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you.
So what exactly are the AGs now warning has happened? And why is it that they want these cuts reversed?
Yeah, it's interesting. You know, when you read this court filing that they put in, a lot of this is stuff that we've been covering already for a couple weeks, months now. All of the details of all the layoffs that have happened at HHS. But some of the new information we learned in these court filings were the impact that it's having on states. Take one example. The CDC laid off its lab for testing sexually transmitted diseases. Without that lab, all of the states in the country now only have one other lab to rely on. That's a lab in New York State, run by the state. They're trying to do their best that they can, but they say in the court filing, they just aren't staffed to essentially fill in for the CDC.
So that's one example, but conceivably then you're seeing this all across the country, that health data is being delayed, the scope of potential diseases or viruses can't be tracked in real time.
Yeah, I mean, look, when you read through that, I think it's more than 100 pages in that court filing. It's just example after example of all these different impacts all across the department that are impacting states, and they say, are unlawful, unconstitutional, and should be stopped.
And we should point out these are all Democratic attorneys general in predominantly Democratic-controlled states, and we saw this during Trump 1.0 that they'd all band together and sue. But in this case, trying to get some of that information out there and then ideally get some of this reversed, which may or may not happen.
Yeah, exactly. And, to be clear, we have heard already from the department they are trying to roll back some layoffs, but at the same time, they're doing layoffs elsewhere in the department to compensate, they say, for those layoffs.
And what was RFK Jr.'s reasoning for the restructuring? Is it DOGE or was it something else?
Yeah, I mean, look, to be clear, they have said that most of this is from DOGE, right? It's essentially instructions to meet certain quotas, to meet certain, eliminations they had to do all across the department. But of course, at the same time, while DOGE is doing some of it, it's at the end of the day, Kennedy's department, Kennedy's aides who have been implementing the plans, deciding what to cut, deciding what to eliminate, and of course, now starting to try to roll back some of what they say are mistakes.
Are they rolling it back because they realized that those they fired are actually essential to dealing with some pretty urgent public health emergencies, or is it a legal concern that they have about getting some of these people out?
Yeah, I mean, it's a mix of both, right? I mean, some of it, yes, it's about, health emergencies. For example, you heard the FDA commissioner say he didn't realize that there were actually food and drug safety labs that were investigating outbreaks, doing testing to save Americans' lives that were laid off as part of the cuts. But then at the other hand, you're hearing stuff like, Senator Capito saying that she had to call the White House to say, I don't want this mining research health agency, please bring them back to work. So yes, it's a mix of both. Some of it is them realizing, whoops, we didn't mean to do this. Some of this is the result of pressure from some of Kennedy and President Trump's allies.
And conceivably, some seasonal thing is going to happen over the summer that makes them realize, oops, we let those people go too, and we probably shouldn't have done that. Let's see if we can claw them back.
Well, yeah, and and again, to be clear, we have heard them say that they want to bring them back. That hasn't actually happened yet, at least not that we're aware.
And whether the employees actually want to come back, having been laid off, is another thing. Alex Tin, thanks as always. Good to see you.